Yes, so that was web balls. Now let's go to the next chapter, which is editing 3D geometry, and I will begin with the circular and linear pattern. So in linear pattern, like we looked at in 2D geometry, the same criteria. Okay, let's create a part here. So in case I wanted it in linear pattern, I could create the pattern here and extrude. But in this case, either it is both extrude or cut extrude. So once you have your 3D geometry, go to linear pattern, select the direction, and then when it comes to the features, it's better to click the geometry of your choice from the tree, design tree here, put the number of instances, if you only want in direction 1 or in direction 2, reverse the arrow, put the number of instances that will be created. That's both extrude, can do cut extrude and see. So after cutting, let's use a through hole. Yes. So then go to linear pattern, pick the direction, go to features, pick the cut extrude. Yeah. And one thing you have to notice, the geometry has to appear on 3D. Like what I mean is, this will have nothing to cut, so it won't be pattern. If I click this green tick, it won't cut anything. So good enough, you can edit. So let me reverse the direction. So that is linear pattern. Let's see circular pattern where you need a circular face. So like the circular face, and let me create geometry on it. So extrude, first make it 3D. Then click the drop down, select circular pattern. Direction, it will be the circular face. Feature, it will be that both extrude. Can modify the number, the degrees. Yes, you can also skip just like in 2D circular pattern. Yes. Alright, so let's see an example of this bus plane. So this propellers is the circular pattern. So circular pattern here. Here, pick the face, which is this. No, don't want to make any weird changes there. Pick the face, pick the body, not the future, because there are already bodies. That was body, both extrude form. Then put the number I wanted, the degrees, and I came up with that. Okay. Then in the Abrams tank, in the turret, use the linear pattern here. Here use the plane as direction. Then pick the body, which is both extrude 2. Both extrude 2 is having the same balls, and this is both extrude. Let me show you. So from the tree you can track this linear pattern. So both extrude 2 starts with this sketch, and then it is merged upon with this swept both or sweep 1, as it is named here. then the linear pattern combines both of them together. And under bodies here, solid bodies, project suite 2 is combining, but these are two separate features. First one is the body suite, the second one is the sweep. Okay, thank you.